Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Neo4j series. In this video, we will learn how to design a graph data model using Neo4j Desktop UI. So we will create nodes, define relationship, and visually understand the graph database work without starting with any complex code. So whatever we are going to do in this video is using the Neo4j Desktop UI. We are not going to run any queries to create the nodes and relationship as we have done in the other videos. So, the data set which I'm using contains movie related data which has columns like title, budget, vote average, popularity, and original language and status. So first what we are going to do here is you can see that I have already created the instance and it is running. The status is running here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on this import button and we are going to import the data which I'm opening. So I'm going to click on the browse button and now it will take me to this movies, TMDB 5000 movies, and I'm going to open the data. So you can see here, these are the columns which we are going to use. Now we are going to create once you import the data, we will see that we have a place where we can start sketching the model or data model which we can do it. The other way is also if you have already created it, you can just click here and you can open the model which you have already created. So you can click on that one and you can create it. Okay. So now first what we are going to do here is we are going to create it manually. So I'm going to click on this add node label. So you can see here one node is created by default. So I will click on this one and I will just type it here as movie. And here, once you select this one, I am using this particular data set, which I have already imported, and I am going to map it from the table, like which movie belongs to which one. So it belongs to the title, name of the title. Okay. So this is what, so you can see here, this movie basically refers to the title column of the data set. Now we are going to create one more node. Okay, and in this node we are going to create, let's say, this we'll select this node and we'll map it from the table. We will call it as a status, and we are going to confirm. Okay, so this node will represent status. So I'm going to write it here as status. Enter. Okay, now I'm going to define the relationship between them, movie and status. So here I can say it as a has status. Okay, and I will click on this one. So you can see here it is showing the let me move this one a little bit like this. So you can see here it is showing has status. Correct. It is showing has status. Now again, what we are going to do, we are going to create one more relationship. Okay. So this is let's say this node will represent the vote. I will put it as vote. Enter. And from the data, we are going to map the vote average. So I'm going to confirm. And if I have to define the relationship, then I have to click on this arrow. And here I have to write rated as. Okay. And click on this one. So you can see here, it has showing it as a rated as. Okay. We can reverse the direction also. If you want to show some relationship between votes and movies, that way we can also do it. Then if you want one more relationship, so we can click from here, we can click on this arrow like this, and we can say let's say we can say language. We can say this language. Okay. And from the table, we will map it that this belongs to the original language column. We will confirm it. You can also give the same name of the nodes as per the data set, column names, or you can choose as per your convenience. Now, the next step is we are going to define the relationship. So here, a relationship can say in language. Okay, so in language. So now, yes, so in language, you can see here this is being defined as in language. Now, if you want to create one more relationship, like we have already have this one, and we can say this one as a budget. So budget, and will be budget from the and map from the table. So we will select the budget and we will going to confirm. Now we are going to define the relationship. So you can click on this one and you can say movie has cost, because budget refers to the how much money it has been total spent on creating that movie. So has cost, which belongs to the budget. And yes, so we can see we have already created this data model, small data model. Now you can also explore this. So let me, this is our data model. You can, as per, you can also create more nodes. Okay. Like you can, if you want to create a relationship between language and status, you can create that also. So it depends totally upon you, how you are going to create as per your business requirement. Now, in the next step is like if you want to see in more details like how this behaves, you can click on the explore button. So when you click, okay, so I have to connect to the data instance. So let me go to the import and let me click on the run import button. So you can see here no instance is connected. So connect to instance. So I will connect it to this running training instance which I have created. Yeah. And by default, it will be Neo4j. Let's wait. And then I click on the run import. Fail to load existing check conflict. Okay. Now I click on the explore button. So when I click on the explore button, so you can see here, these are the nodes which we have created, and this is the relationship which is showing, okay, of all the movies, how they're related with each other. Now, the next thing is you can also have a kind of relationship based upon different layout like this. You can also see it, okay, four space layout of the database. And then you can also look for the hierarchical if you want to see everything in a kind of an hierarchy structure. So you can see it like this, your Grave database. You can also have a coordinated layout. Coordinate layout is not present right now. Circular layout also you can have it if you want to look it into the form of a circular way. So this way you can explore the data model which you have created, and it will show you the relationship based upon the all the values which it has. Now let me go back to the import. Now, once you have done this one, so you can click on this and you can download this one. Uh, you can either download the model, okay, or you can download the model with data. If you want to download both of them, the CSV file as well as this data model, you can click download that. Or if you only want to download this particular data model, you can just click on the download model. So when you click on the download model, it's going to store in the form of a .json file in the structure. So yeah, so that's how this is being done. Or let's say if I want to, I have already created one model. So I will show you how if I want to open the model, I don't want to have this one. Okay, so I can click on this open model, and you can see here. This is a way I have already created a few days back. So you can see here the source file is a JSON source file. I click on the open, and you can see here, this is what I have created previously. Okay. So I have to again reconnect to the file, and I have to again upload it because it is, and this is how it gets uploaded. So, so I think this is all about in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section. And yeah, see you soon in the next video. Thanks everyone for watching.